7 easy steps to make an educational video on YouTube. Hey everyone, Assalamu alaikum, and in this video we will let you know about how to make an educational video on YouTube. There are following steps you must have to follow to make an educational video on YouTube. As you know very well, creating an educational video on YouTube can be a fun and rewarding way to share your knowledge with others. Here are some steps you can take to make educational video for our YouTube. First of all, choose a topic. Choose a topic that you are knowledgeable and passionate about. This will help you create engaging topic that will capture your viewers' attention. Second, research. Once you have chosen your topic, do some research to ensure that you have all the necessary information to create a comprehensive video. Use reliable source and facts. Check your information before including it in your video. Third, write a script. A well-written script is essential for creating a clear and concise video. Organize your ideas into a logical sequence and use simple language that your audience can easily understand. Fourth, record your video. Use a high-quality camera, a microphone to record your video. Make sure that the lighting and sound are good and avoid any background music, distraction or noise. Fifth, edit your video. Use video editing softwares to edit your footage, add graphics and music. Make sure that your videos flow smoothly. Sixth, publish your video. Once you have finished editing your video, upload it to YouTube. Optimize your video title, description and tags to make it easier for viewers to find. Seventh, engage with your audience. Respond to comments and questions from your viewers. This will help you to build a community around your channel and create a more engaging learning experience. Keep your viewers engaged by make your content fun and informative, and always strive to improve your videos with new uploads. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.